All right, here we go. We're going to do a stovetop version of our Philly cheesesteak. All right, we got our oil, which comes in your kit. It is a special blend of oil that we've come up with. And we're going to lay out our ribeye. There's that sizzle, nice hot pan you want to start with. You know, I prefer probably best to use somewhere around a 12-inch no stick pan. You want to spread everything out nice and even. Get a good generous amount of meat going down. There we are. I think that's good. Hit a little more oil. I think we're good. A little salt, a little pepper. Grab our spatulas. I want to adjust your temp. We are using natural gas here, but you're going to have to, your stove better than anybody. Whatever you need to do to keep that temperature going. All right, so we're getting some nice color here. And then we want to start with the flip. Flip these pieces over. And do your best to get that red down. And we're going to start with some chop. Nice and consistent. A little more oil. Get that red down. All right, let it cook. It's going to take a little bit longer than a griddle, but it is a great option if you want to make one for a nice little late night snack. You don't have to go outside and dirty up the griddle. Got to take a little bit more care. Obviously, you don't want to knock this off the stove top, but let them cook. A little heat. Almost there. All right, I think we're ready for some cheese. Once again, I'm a cheese lover. It's Cooper Sharp. I can't get enough. I'm going 5 slices here. Got our roll, fresh out of the oven, less than an hour ago. Crispy, ready to go. This is how it should be. The crunch on this roll is fantastic. Alright, get your flip going. You want to incorporate that cheese. Now this is the challenge. Right up. On. You do this on a stovetop once or twice, you really start to appreciate your nice big outside griddle. There we are. Stovetop cheesesteak, Cooper Sharp.